For this, first draw one circle shape for its big eyes and put one small dot inside a big circle. Then draw its big body, then its small one tail, and at last draw its two wings. Then draw vertical lines inside its body for a real fish look. Additionally, draw some bubbles because fish is inside the water. Next is the seahorse. For the seahorse, first draw its head, then its body, then its beautiful tail and its two ears, then draw its eyes, mouth, and additionally draw some horizontal and vertical lines inside its body to look very real. Color it with pink, yellow and red. See how good it is. Next is the crane. For this crane, the trick is you have to take pink color sketch and scribble as shown in this video. Then draw its head and its beautiful long neck. At last, one small tail and two little legs. Draw its beaks, eyes. Then at last, give some water look below the crane and also a grass look using light green color.